Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up Nami Wallet for Cardano Network. And as you can see, I'm on namiwallet.io. I will leave a link below in the description so you can visit this web page, and then you can see Nami is available on Chrome, Brave and Microsoft Edge web browsers. So I'm on Chrome right now, so I will start off with clicking on Chrome. Then you will be redirected to Chrome Web Store. You can see Nami extensions right here. So I will just click on Add to Chrome. And I will add the extension right here. It's on Swedish, but add extension. So I will exit this tab right now. It's added to Chrome, and I will go to my extensions right up here. And I will look for Nami right here. So I will click on Nami. Now we can see welcome. Let's get started with creating a wallet. And then I will click on New Wallet. Make sure no one is watching the screen while the seed phrase is visible. So I will blur and hide this seed phrase, but I will show you what it looks like soon. I will click on I accept, and I will click on continue. So now I'm on my seed phrase, and this is very important. You can't show your seed phrase to anyone. You can't share it with anyone. So right now my seed phrase is hidden, so you can't see it, but it's 24 different words. So you have to store the seed phrase in a secure place. So what you have to do is to write down in order, so from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Every word that you see on your screen, because whenever you have to access your wallet from a new place, maybe you lose your password and stuff like that, you will need to enter your seed phrase with the words in the exact same order as they are visible on your screen right now. So some places where you can store your seed phrase is either you can write it down by hand on a paper, and then you can store the paper with your entire seed phrase inside a vault, secured vault or something. Obviously, you do whatever you want. Just make sure that no one gets access to it if you don't entirely trust this person, because if another person gets access to your entire seed phrase, they will get access to your wallet and account, and then obviously your funds may be at risk and you might lose all your funds and money and cryptos inside your wallet. So with that being said, you do you. I will store this in my own way, and I will check this box right here, tick this box, and then I will click on next. And in this step, you will have to verify your seed phrase. So enter the seed phrase you just stored. And you can see there are 4 places for me at least where I have to fill in the words that are missing. So I will go ahead and do that, and you do it if you want. And then I will just click on next and show you what this next step looks like. So now in the next step, you will have to create your account where you enter an account name and then you enter a password. So I will go ahead and do that, and then I will click on create. So once you've entered an account name, you decide whatever you want, and you've created the password, which you also do whatever you want with. You choose your own password. Then you can see successfully created wallet. You can now close this tab and continue with the extension. So I will just show you what it looks like inside your extension and Nami wallet. So I'll click into my Nami wallet. And now you can see my account name. You can see, is this ADA currency? Probably dollar value. You can see receive, you can see send, no assets available. I will create another video where you will see how to send the Cardano ADA token to your Nami wallet. And I will also create other tutorials on the Cardano network with decentralized applications and all that stuff as well. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency and Cardano tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you around, and goodbye.